Hey guys, what's everybody doing tonight? Hope you're having a great night, and thank you for watching my video. So I'm going to just do a little video on a men's G-Shock watch. I actually didn't really even know what G-Shock was until my husband told me about it. He works in law enforcement, and as you know, their job could be really tough at times, and they need a scratch-proof and water-resistant watch because you just never know what kind of situation you're going to get in. And sometimes it's just, if they can't have their phone on them or whatever, it's just easier to wear a watch to tell the time. So I actually bought him 2 G-Shock watches because he told me, he's like, oh, all the guys at work, like, they all wear G-Shock watches and they're really good and everyone really likes them. I guess, I don't know if the brand is by Casio, but Casio, of course, has been around forever. I've heard that before a million times, that word. So these are really well known to people for work who are in law enforcement, and then I'm sure countless other jobs as well. Well, what's good about G-Shock watches is they're not overly fancy. They're kind of just like casual, standard, but they also look nice. I bought my husband a white and black one so that just in case, like, you know, he'd be outside in all types of weather. Just in case, you know, he's out in the rain or whatever, snow, the watch would be fine because it is water resistant. So I guess you could turn it on and off with this button, and you can start and stop. Oh, I guess because you could like time yourself also. I think you could choose between regular time and military time. I think because he's in law enforcement, they learn to use military time, so that's the type of time that he prefers to read and to look at. So it says here on the side, electroluminescence light. There's a timer. You could reset. Okay, so you could time yourself, like if you're, I don't know, at the gym or something, whatever you need an alarm for. Illuminator, alarm chrono, light, alarm. Oh, so you could set your alarm on here too, so that's good. Water 20 bar resist, so I guess that 20 bar means like maybe you could go 20 bars down into the water and it'll be fine. I'm not really sure exactly what that means, but I just take it it's fine in the rain and the snow because it is water resistant. But I guess it is resistant if you maybe go snorkeling or something like that too, not too deep into the water, so that's good. And then this is how you turn it on and off, the timer. I don't know if that time is correct. I think it is correct because he just wore this the other day. Gotta remember to turn the clocks back this coming weekend. So let's flip over to the side. It says shock resist on the back. It's a little hard to see here. Shock absorbing structure, made in Thailand, and stainless steel back, scratch resistant. So, and I think it's it's adjustable too as well with these straps, so you could choose to make it tighter or more loose. It's up to you right here. And I really like that it's like just white, clean looking, very casual, but like I said, also looks nice on. So I like the G-Shock watches a lot. They're not too expensive either, and I think this is how you could adjust the time too on the side here. Pretty simple to use. Like I said, this is I think it's in military time, so if you don't know military time, you could just set it to regular. Yeah, because it's 24 hours. And then it says Thursday. Today's Thursday. Pretty cool. So it's different than your average regular watch, which I think is pretty nice. And they come in all different types of colors, different models and stuff. This is just your standard white, shock resistant, and water resistant G-Shock watch. Adjust mode, it kind of like tells you, it's pretty self-explanatory how to use everything and where everything is set up on the watch. So I think this is really great. It makes a great gift for yourself, for somebody else. Like I said, you know, certain jobs where you have to be outside and it could be rough at times. I think these would be great. Even like a construction worker or something maybe. I'm just trying to think all different types of jobs where you would be outside. I know there's hundreds of thousands of them. So like I said, makes a great gift for someone or good for you. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope that you guys maybe try out a G-Shock watch, and I hope you love it just as much as I know my husband and all his friends and coworkers love it. It's got to be a reason behind it, right? Besides how great it looks. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and have a great night.